In a gruesome turn of events, four Manipuri villagers, including a father and a son from Akasoi village in Bishnupur, were kidnapped and brutally killed. The act was done by suspected insurgents in a hilly area between Churachandpur and Bishnupur districts. The victims, hailing from a village just 45 kilometers from the state capital Imphal, had ventured into a nearby forest to collect firewood amid the harsh winter conditions. Sources indicated that the victims were first abducted and then subjected to torture before meeting their untimely demise. Distraught family members filed a police complaint when the men failed to return home on the previous day. Authorities from Bishnupur's Kumbi, after a challenging trek through the forest, discovered the lifeless bodies on Thursday. Security forces are currently engaged in extensive search operations in the region as the investigation unfolds. The tragic incident raises questions about the efficacy of the temporary buffer zone that is supposed to safeguard the communities. Police sources suggest that the four villagers likely walked into this so-called buffer zone that divides the two districts while collecting firewood on Wednesday. Purported videos circulating on social media depict armed individuals in camouflage battle dress claiming responsibility for these heinous acts. The authenticity of these videos is yet to be confirmed. These latest killings further highlight the ongoing tensions in Manipur, specifically the enduring ethnic conflicts between the hill majority Kuki tribes and the valley majority Meiteis. The violence traces its roots back to May of 2023, when clashes erupted after the Kukis protested against the Meiteis' demand for scheduled tribe status. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh emphasized that the nature of the conflict has shifted. What began as tensions between communities has transformed into a situation where insurgents are now targeting security forces. As Manipur grapples with this tragic incident, the larger question of ensuring peace and security in the region remains a significant concern.